welcome back to my channel. This is Mbelf here, Emily, for those of you who don't know me. Every time you see me with this cap on, it means business. So I just got back from doing groceries and from the gym. The gym was really nice. It was nice to get back in there. It was like I never left. But it was so nice, like waking up at 7. Well, I woke up at 6:50 just to give myself like that 10 minutes of like, you know, like, okay, wake up. And then took a beautiful shower and we headed straight to the gym. I ran a mile and did like full body workouts, but I don't like to record in the gym just because I feel like it's such a private place for some people, you know, like especially with like all like the TikToks I've been seeing lately of like girls trying to catch guys being like, you know, it just doesn't sit right with me. I'm like, why are you trying to, you know? So I choose not to film. Okay, so when I do a reset, typically I like to set a list for myself. And I showed you guys this earlier on the notes app. Oh, we did not complete that yet. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Basically on the notes app, I like to do a title, Monday to do, and then I like to use the little bullet points to check mark things off as soon as I do them. So I washed my hair, that was first on the list, and then next on the list was gym. I did that early this morning. And then we just finished groceries, and I'll show you guys what I got from the store. I like to do grocery hauls. I don't know if people like to watch them, but I do. And then next on my list is deep clean house and laundry. I think that I should clean first before I do the laundry so that I can have a clean space to like fold my laundry when it comes time. And then on my list is also face mask. I like to, if I'm doing like a reset, I want to just feel brand new. So I want my skin to be nice and, you know, hydrated because it's been really dry lately. I ran out of my moisturizer and I still haven't gotten a new one, so I just need like a whole new skincare routine and makeup routine because I see a spider and I'm scared. Okay, one sec. I got the spider. Anthony's not here to defend me from spiders, so I had to be a big girl. Anyways, yeah, I haven't gotten like, I need to do a whole new skincare routine and makeup. I feel like the makeup that I wear just sits on my skin. Not that I want it to like go deep in my skin, but I just feel like it sits, so I just feel like I look cakey a lot of the times. And I'm gonna try and like wear lighter products and like less on my skin because I want, summer's coming up and I like when I can just like go out barefaced, which I'm not wearing anything right now and things are looking okay. I have this one right here that has been like a, you know, those like 3 weeker pimples. Anyways, I don't have laundry in my unit and in the building either, so I have to go out and do laundry and wait. So, and the first, like the wash is 20 minutes and then the dry is like 40. So for the wash I just sit around like at Starbucks or something, and then for the dry I just come back here because I'm not going to be outside for 40 minutes for nothing. So I think that's what we should do. Yeah, let's clean. for groceries today, I ended up going to Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. That's usually what I do because there's like specialty items that I like at Trader Joe's, and then there's like more generic items that I need from Whole Foods. If there's something that I need that I can get for less money at Trader Joe's, that's what I'll do. So just a quick little haul. Trader Joe's is so, if you live in the city, in New York City, I highly recommend trying to get most of your items from Trader Joe's just because the price is so cheap. Like the other day, Anthony goes to the grocery store down the street from our place, and it's just like it's like a grocery store known for New York, and he spent $45 on pancake mix, orange juice, bacon, and a paper towel, just like one roll. And I literally just spent $50 on 3 bags of groceries at Trader Joe's. So we got some pineapple. Anthony's been craving pineapple. We get these yogurts. They're so good if you're craving something sweet. I got hot Italian sausage. I like to do that with roasted potatoes and veggies. I got drumsticks, some chicken breast for the chicken parm that I'm making tonight, potatoes for roasting. This is the bomb. This is onion and chive cream cheese. So good on a plain bagel, and then you add like the everything bagel seasoning. So good. Just got some like garlic, shallots, avocado, mozzarella for the chicken parm that I'm making tonight, linguine, scallions, tomato on the vine, and this pack right here is like $2 and change. And at the grocery store that we went to that I was talking about, one tomato was $5. Insane. Baby carrots, and then this is the same yogurt but blueberry and cream and vanilla and cream. I like to get these little baby cucumbers for like the side. We got some plain bagels. I had to restock on my garlic. And this is my favorite pesto. I think it comes out so good every time I make pesto. The Sakla pesto wild garlic flavor. So good. And Whole Foods has like the best cheddar cheese to me, like the best tasting cheddar cheese. So I get these, and sometimes in the morning I'll make egg avocado and cheese sandwiches. And I go early so I can get first dibs on like things. And yeah, that's my little grocery haul. I just did the dishes. Everything's coming along really well. I'm gonna take out the trash. I'm gonna leave it for Anthony. He usually is in charge of trash and dishes, but I'll leave it out for him. And now I need to start getting my laundry ready, and just need to finish tidying up the living room, and then we are going to be on a roll. I think it might be almost 12 o'clock now. We woke up at 7, and I've gotten so much done today. I am so happy with the productivity because I've been meaning to do all of these things for like the past few days, and I keep just not doing it. My fridge is obviously super outdated, so don't mind that, but I organized it by drinks, dairy, and like yogurt, things that we go for in the morning typically. And then I have veggies on the second row, and then I have the meat that I'm going to be using in the next few days, and like cream cheese, tomato sauces, pestos, spreads on that side. I like to put the meat on the bottom just in case there's any leakage. It doesn't go on, like fall through the whole fridge and get on the other things. So that's kind of how I organize my fridge. Okay, so now a few of my seasonings have run out. So I have the steak seasoning that ran out, the salt ran out, and the garlic powder ran out. So I'm gonna refill these. This is part of a project that I did like early when I moved in here. Don't mind this one and this one. I'm gonna keep it there though. But right now this rack is a little disorganized. But when I first moved, I decided to try and make this kitchen somewhat aesthetically pleasing. And so what I did was put all my seasonings in these little containers. They're glass containers with wooden tops. They're really cute, and they came with like the stickers. It was like a whole package. But basically when I need to refill the seasonings, I actually love this day because I get to use my little funnel. And so basically what I do is whatever I'm missing, I will take the top off. So this is the steak seasoning. And then I pop this bad boy off. I insert my funnel. And then this is a new one that I bought, and I'm just gonna fill it. I'm just gonna fill the container with it. And so it's super duper easy. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the garlic and the salt, so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna refill these, and then we'll see what we have to do next. I got my laundry ready and prepared for doing, and I have my bag of quarters. I think this is like the one thing that I hate the most about New York City, like living here and not having a washer and dryer in unit. Having to go somewhere to do my laundry and to get fucking quarters, excuse my language, is literally the worst thing ever. But here we go. This is my little laundry outfit that I got going on here. I'm stalling because I don't want to do it. I've been stalling for an hour. Actually, not really. I've been preparing my laundry for an hour, and I found all the quarters that I can. And unfortunately, it's time because I want to be able to relax before I start making dinner. And if there's going to be any relaxing before dinner, that means I need to get the show on the road. So let's go to. It's a few hours later, and I just made chicken parm tonight with Anthony. He helped me. And now, since everything's done for the day and dinner's done and ready, I'm going to pour us 2 glasses of wine because we deserve it for all the hard work we did today, right?
Yes.
Taste test. Just set us up in the living room in the middle just so that we can watch TV while we eat. This is our dinner tonight, chicken parm. He already like kind of effed it up because it's so good and we haven't eaten all day. We have our glass of wine, and this is how we're spending the evening. Okay guys, that is the end of my reset day. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it was somewhat entertaining. Now I'm just gonna cozy up. We're gonna watch Pretty Little Liars. We're on the last season. It's getting really interesting right now, and it's like got all my attention. Like, you know when you don't want to stop watching a show, like binge. But yeah, have a great night, day, morning, evening, whatever time it is, and make sure you like and subscribe, and you are following me on Instagram for more day-to-day updates. Bye.